Assisted digital transformation. Digital transformation requires new skills. What happens when you can't hire fast enough? We think we know how to help, and specifically how we can provide clarity to those who are involved. Let's take a minute and introduce our firm. Objective and the Objective Group have been making quality software for over 20 years, delivering in an Agile methodology backed by robust automated testing. We have over 200 clients who trust us and have followed our methodology to success. Digital transformation is challenging and often stunted by the availability of needed resources. We are a partner who can provide trained resources to work in tandem with your existing staff, helping build the future, adding the best practices and needed steps garnered in our long journey, and help the transformation progress. We help by bringing in critical accelerators like automated testing all the way to Devops as the company progresses. As new staff comes on board, we integrate them into the combined teams and remove our resources as your company meets its goals. We start by integrating an Agile mindset. Objective has been doing Agile since before the Agile Manifesto. There is no one-size-fits-all, so we bring in the components of all the methodologies according to your needs. Scrum, Lean Kanban, even Six Sigma. The end result is a hybrid methodology that fits the needs of you. And how do we know? Well, we've been the case study in many popular books on the subject. We were founded by 8 developers. Software development is in our DNA. We use extreme programming. We've also added in test-driven design and behavior-driven design. If you have a methodology that fits your transformation, we'll leverage that. Ultimately, any good development methodology leads into the need to automate your testing. Automated testing and paired programming greatly diminish the impact of bugs on delivery. Good code makes good products. Tested code makes trusted products. And when it's ready, this leads to DevOps, the continuous development, continuous integration, and continuous deployment method that makes modern software available, trusted, tested, and validated. DevOps can integrate surface scanning also to ensure penetration vulnerabilities are found before you publish your code. And all along this path, we layer on transparency. We start with dashboards and Kanban boards to show folks what's coming next. Next, operational dashboards so folks can see what's happening. If a developer can see that a defect owned by them is delaying a release, they can prioritize its remediation. We suggest metrics and measures the staff can easily understand, using measures that matter to them as well. Give everyone a clear view of progress. Learn from your work and apply the lessons learned immediately. Have dashboards that can show this to everyone. Build trust. So we start with your company. You start hiring, but have deliveries to make based on your customer base. Bring in an objective. We'll help you add what you need. In this case, we'll call it 4 developers, a tester, and an enterprise coach. If your development pace needs it, we implement paired programming, begin test automation. Features are selected, and features ensure that your staff owns your IP, and objective developers ensure best habits and practices. We bring in an automation expert to help transform the unit testing into testing during check-in. HR brings you your first new hire. We swap the new hire to a pair with an objective developer and create your first full employee pair. More hires, and the pace of automation increases. Cybersecurity and a user experience is what sales is requesting. We bring in the resources while you look for permanent staff. Hey, more hires, including your own coach. The developers are beginning to understand the operational production needs, and continuous development and integration is underway. You're now ready to engage full ops. Some developers can begin creating additional products. User experience is now in-house, and you are now layering in both efficiency and efficacy. Full speed ahead. Your transformation is running on its own, considering new tools based on your needs, and you can begin swapping out open source for what you really need. Your transformation is excelling with all the best practices and able to meet your demands. Should you need help, feel free to call on Objective to assist. Objective has another successful partner. But most importantly, your staff has owned this transformation. For more than 20 years in the market, Objective has been an international trailblazer in the development of agile software and methodologies that transform IT processes that help large and small companies achieve success. Discovering innovative ways, making a difference in the software development market, and achieving the highest levels of efficacy, efficiency, and quality in the delivery of projects are part of Objective's mission. Our specialists have great knowledge in each segment, making our clients increasingly competitive in the wisdom offer of their market and help them struggling with digital transformation. We help you stabilize and provide visibility to all parties involved. I hope you have found today's presentation useful and insightful. Let us know if you have any questions.